The updated Levorg has been improved primarily in terms of safety, with the aim of providing a better level of impact protection. The improvements include the addition of an automatic tightening function for the rear seatbelts in the event of a collision. At the same time, the rear seats have a better crash buffer structure to increase the side impact to the front doors. The new Levorg provides more comprehensive passive safety protection. The updated Levorg has better passive safety, interior texture and sound insulation quality. On the other hand, Subaru has also replaced the Levorg 1.6 GT EyeSight model with newly designed 17-inch aluminum wheels, which not only have more eye-catching visual effects and a sporty atmosphere, but also have the effect of improving lightning and aerodynamic effects. The 1.6 GT S model has improved cabin comfort. The newly added high-gloss pearlescent leather seat option offers a more textured and quiet cabin atmosphere, along with improved sound insulation levels for the front windows, rear side windows and luggage compartment. The updated Levorg features newly added high-gloss pearlescent seat leather as an option, while the interior window strips, rear window and luggage compartment sound insulation have also been improved, providing a quieter cabin atmosphere. The Levorg STI is finally here, with both performance and practicality. Finally, what will definitely excite Levorg enthusiasts and performance car enthusiasts is the fact that the Levorg STI will finally be released in the second quarter of this year. Currently, the Levorg car lineup in Japan offers the 1.6 GT EyeSight, 1.6 GT EyeSight S-Style, 1.6 GT EyeSight and 2.0 GT S EyeSight, with 4 models to choose from. The addition of the Levorg STI will not only be the top model of the car lineup, but will also offer new options that combine performance and practicality. The Levorg car lineup will finally bear the STI name. The highest performance model, the Levorg STI, was released in Japan in the second quarter of this year.